Do you know that with just a few simple steps in Linux, you can turn to ordinary disk into a storage system that automatically protects your data, even if one disk fails? Hi everyone, Phil here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up RAID using BTRFS, a powerful file system that's already built into Linux. So how do we actually do this? I know it might sound too easy to be true, but trust me, it only takes a single command. Let's take a look. We'll be using the mkfs.btrfs command to format the disk. The cool thing is you can use raw disk directly. No need to create partitions first. Then we simply specify RAID 1 for both metadata and data. Alright, let's jump into Ubuntu 24.04 command line and get started. Okay. In the Ubuntu command line environment, we need to switch to root privileges so we don't have to type sudo. Okay. First of all, let's check what is available on this virtual machine. LSBLK. As you can see, we have to unpartition this ADB and ADC, and these are the ones we use. Now we have to set up BTRFS package. apt install btrfs procs. And here's the magic. Just one command is all we need to configure BTRFS RAID. mkfs dot btrfs with option M, RAID 1 with option D, RAID 1, ADB drive, and ADC drive. These are my devices, but make sure to pick the correct ones on your system. Okay? Once you're sure, run the command. And that's it. Just like that, we create a mirrored device across ADB and ADC. In essence, we just formatted the file system and configured RAID. Okay, let's mount and test the RAID 1 device to make sure everything works. First, create a mount point, mkdir BTRFS red. Enter, then mouse the BTRFS red. Mouse at DB, enter, check the mouse with DF with option H T grab BTRFS, enter. You should see the storage capacity displayed with the BTRFS file system. You can also check read status. BTRFS file system DF. Okay, you can see that both metadata and data are set to read one. For even more details, you can use show, enter. Okay. Now let's do a quick test by writing some data to the device. Echo hello BTRFS red 1 file dot txt, enter. Okay, and card. Okay, next unmount and remount to verify. Mount at the B drive, enter. Okay, as you can see, the file.txt is still readable, which means Red One's working perfectly. Pretty cool, right? With just one command, you now have a Red One system ready to keep your data safe, even if one disk fails. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to recover and replace a failed disk in this BTRFS REST setup. So make sure you turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.